In the wild, the social structure of a lion pride is quite fascinating, as it significantly influences their hunting strategies. Typically, a pride consists of a few related females, often mothers, sisters, and daughters, along with one or more males, who are usually unrelated to the females. This structure has evolved over time, allowing lions to take advantage of their social nature, which is quite unique among big cats. The females, who do most of the hunting, work together in a coordinated manner to capture prey. Their bond is crucial as they communicate and strategize, using tactics that increase their chances of a successful hunt. For instance, they may spread out in a semicircle, quietly stalking their prey, while others drive the animals toward waiting ambushes, showcasing a remarkable level of teamwork. The presence of males in the pride also plays an important role, but their primary function is often to protect the pride from rival males and other threats, rather than hunt. However, when hunting larger prey, such as buffalo, males can join in, adding strength and power to the group. Their size and strength can intimidate the prey, making it easier for the females to close in for the kill. The pride's social hierarchy, where females generally dominate in hunting, allows for a system where the energy and efforts of the group are maximized, ensuring that the pride can sustain itself. Moreover, the age and experience of the females can greatly influence hunting success. Older females, who have honed their skills over years, often take the lead during hunts, guiding the younger ones and teaching them effective hunting techniques. The social bonds within the pride allow for learning and sharing of knowledge, which is essential for the survival of younger lions. Additionally, the pride's territory also affects hunting strategies, as they tend to hunt within areas that they know well and can defend, reducing the risks associated with hunting in unfamiliar territory. This cooperative behavior is not just about survival, it's also a social activity that strengthens bonds within the pride. After a successful hunt, the lions will often engage in social grooming and feeding together, reinforcing their relationships and ensuring stability within the group. This social structure, with its emphasis on cooperation, not only enhances their hunting efficiency, but also contributes to the overall success and longevity of the pride, allowing them to thrive in the challenging environments of the African savanna. In a pride of lions, the roles of male and female lions during a hunt are distinct, yet they work together in a fascinating way to ensure the survival of the group. Female lions, typically the primary hunters, are responsible for most of the hunting activities, which is largely due to their smaller size and agility compared to males. They often work as a team, using coordinated strategies to ambush and take down prey. This teamwork is essential, especially when targeting larger animals such as wildebeests or zebras, which can be quite dangerous. Female lions use their stealth and speed, often stalking their prey for long distances before making a sudden, quick dash to catch it off guard. Their hunting strategy usually involves surrounding the prey, with some lions distracting it while others move in for the kill. This allows them to take down animals much larger than themselves. On the other hand, male lions have a different but equally important role during hunts. While they can and do participate in hunting, their primary responsibilities lie in protecting the pride and securing territory. Males are generally larger and stronger, which allows them to defend the pride from rival males and other threats. When they do join the hunt, their strength can be advantageous, especially when it comes to taking down large prey, but they often reserve their energy for the more dangerous encounters with rival prides or predators. Moreover, when a hunt is successful, male lions often assert their dominance by eating first, which is a behavior rooted in their role as protectors and leaders of the pride. This behavior can sometimes lead to conflicts with the females, especially if the males take too long to eat or are overly aggressive. Interestingly, the dynamics within the pride can change depending on the time of year and the availability of prey. During times of scarcity, for instance, males may become more involved in hunting, as their protective role becomes even more crucial when food is limited and competition increases. Conversely, when prey is abundant, females may take the lead, relying on their hunting skills to feed their cubs and themselves. This balance of roles helps maintain the structure and health of the pride, ensuring that both males and females contribute to the survival of their young. In essence, while female lions are the primary hunters, male lions play a vital role in protecting their territory and ensuring the pride's overall strength, showcasing a remarkable example of cooperation in the wild. The average size of a lion pride typically ranges from 3 to 20 members, with most prides consisting of around 10 lions. This size can vary depending on factors like the availability of resources, the surrounding environment, and the presence of rival prides. A larger pride, for instance, can be more effective in hunting, as they have more strength in numbers, allowing them to take down larger prey, such as buffalo or wildebeest, which would be much harder for a smaller group to manage. The cooperative nature of lions within the pride is essential. They work together to strategize, encircle, and ambush their prey, which significantly increases their chances of a successful hunt. Moreover, the social structure within the pride plays a vital role in hunting success. Typically, it is the lionesses that do most of the hunting, while the males protect the pride's territory and cubs from potential threats, including rival males or other predators. This division of labor allows lionesses to use their speed and agility effectively, while the strength and size of the males help in defending the pride and ensuring their survival. When hunting, lionesses often employ tactics that involve stalking and chasing prey, and having several individuals working together can lead to more successful hunts, as they can confuse and overwhelm their target. In smaller prides, the dynamics shift. They may rely more on stealth and surprise, as they lack the sheer numbers that larger prides leverage. This can lead to a higher rate of failure in hunts, as they may not be able to tackle larger animals or defend their kills from scavengers. The ability to hunt cooperatively also means that larger prides can accumulate more food resources, which is crucial for the survival of all members, particularly the young cubs that need to be well fed to grow strong and healthy. Additionally, the average pride size can influence territory size, with larger prides needing more space to find enough food. This need for larger territories can lead to conflicts with other prides, as lions are territorial animals. When a pride's territory overlaps with others, it can create competition for hunting grounds, and this competition can affect their overall hunting success. In summary, the size of a lion pride is not just a number. It deeply influences their hunting techniques, social dynamics, and ultimately, their survival in the wild. The geographic location of a pride, which is a group of lions, plays a significant role in shaping their hunting techniques and prey selection due to various environmental factors, food availability, and the behavior of other species in the area. In regions where grasslands and savannas dominate, such as the Serengeti, prides often employ cooperative hunting strategies, utilizing their numbers to encircle and ambush larger prey, like wildebeest or zebras. The open terrain allows for these tactics to be effective, as the lions can rely on teamwork and the element of surprise, often taking advantage of the herding behavior of their prey. Conversely, in more forested or densely vegetated areas, like certain parts of the Kruger National Park, the hunting techniques may shift dramatically. Here, lions might rely more on stealth and patience, stalking their prey through thick brush and using the cover of trees to their advantage, which could lead them to target small, agile animals, such as antelopes, that can navigate the undergrowth more easily. Furthermore, the availability of water sources can also influence prey selection. In arid regions, for instance, lions may find that their options are limited to those animals that can withstand drought conditions, which could include species like oryx or gemsbok, known for their ability to survive with minimal water. In contrast, during wetter seasons, a wider variety of ungulates may be present, allowing prides to adapt their hunting strategies accordingly, targeting whatever is most abundant. The presence of competitor species such as hyenas or leopards can also dictate a pride's hunting behavior. If hyenas are abundant, lions may opt for larger, more difficult prey, as this can reduce competition over smaller animals. But they must also be wary of losing their kills to these scavengers. Additionally, the time of day plays a crucial role in how prides hunt, with many lions choosing to hunt during cooler parts of the day, like early morning or late evening. This behavior is especially critical in hotter climates, where midday heat can sap their energy, making it harder to pursue prey. The geographic location can also determine the types of vegetation present, which can affect the visibility of prey, as well as the availability of cover for both lions and their potential targets. Regions with dense vegetation may necessitate a more ambush-based approach, while open plains might favor long-distance chases. Lastly, the social structure within a pride can influence hunting success. Larger prides, lions, known as the majestic kings of the jungle, primarily hunt large herbivores, and their prey often includes animals such as wildebeests, zebras, buffaloes, and even young elephants. However, the types of prey that lions typically hunt can vary significantly between different lion prides, influenced by factors such as the pride's habitat, the availability of prey, and hunting techniques that are passed down through generations. For example, in regions where the grasslands are abundant, lions might focus on hunting wildebeests, which are plentiful during the migration seasons, while in more forested areas, they may adapt their hunting strategies to target smaller animals like antelopes, or even smaller predators if larger prey is scarce. Moreover, the social structure within a pride plays a crucial role in determining hunting patterns. In prides with more females, teamwork is often emphasized, allowing them to take down larger prey that would be difficult for a smaller group to manage. On the other hand, smaller prides, or solitary lions, may resort to hunting smaller animals or scavenging when competition for food is high, or when the preferred prey is not readily available. Additionally, different prides might develop unique hunting strategies based on their experiences and the specific landscape they inhabit, resulting in variations in prey selection. For instance, lions living near water sources might target animals that come to drink, while prides in drier areas may focus on those that are more mobile and can travel long distances in search of food. The time of day also influences their hunting habits, with lions being primarily nocturnal hunters, allowing them to take advantage of the cover of darkness to stalk their prey. However, some prides may also hunt during the day, especially in areas where they are less disturbed by human activity or competing predators. In summary, the diversity in prey selection among different lion prides is a fascinating aspect of their behavior, shaped by their environment, social structure, and hunting strategies, making each pride's hunting experience unique in the wild. Lions, known as the kings of the jungle, have developed a sophisticated system of communication and coordination that is essential for their survival, especially during hunts where teamwork is crucial. When it comes to hunting, lions use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even scent markings to communicate with each other. Their vocalizations can include roars, growls, and grunts, each serving a different purpose. For instance, a deep roar can signal strength and establish territory, while softer growls might indicate excitement or readiness to engage in a hunt. These sounds can carry over long distances, allowing lions to communicate even when they are not in close proximity. During a hunt, body language becomes incredibly important. Lions often use subtle movements, like tail positioning or ear orientation, to signal to each other. When one lion spots prey, it may crouch low, using its body to signal to the rest of the pride to prepare for action. This silent communication is key to successfully coordinating their movements, as lions need to approach their prey stealthily, avoiding detection. The pride often works together, with some lions distracting the prey while others move in for the kill, showcasing their ability to strategize and coordinate through nonverbal cues. Scent plays a role too, as lions will use urine marking to communicate their presence and establish territorial boundaries, signaling to other lions where they can and cannot go. This is particularly important during hunts, as it helps maintain group cohesion and ensures that all members of the pride are on the same page regarding their territory and hunting grounds. In addition, lions tend to hunt at night, which adds another layer of challenge, requiring them to rely heavily on their senses and their ability to communicate effectively in low-light conditions. The social structure of a pride also influences how lions hunt. In a pride, there are usually dominant females who are the primary hunters, and males who may assist in larger hunts or protect the pride's territory. The females often work together, employing tactics that involve surrounding and cornering their prey, while the males might provide strength and intimidation. This division of roles is crucial, as it allows them to maximize their hunting success. Lions also use visual signals during the hunt, such as eye contact or movements that indicate readiness. When a lion locks eyes with another, it can be a signal to prepare for the next move, whether that's to charge, flank, or retreat. This ability to read each other's intentions using both vocal. In the vast savannas of Africa, the majestic lion, often called the king of the jungle, showcases a remarkable example of teamwork that plays a crucial role in their hunting strategies. When lions hunt, they do not rely solely on their strength, but rather on their ability to work together as a cohesive unit, which significantly enhances their chances of capturing prey. Lions are social animals, living in groups known as prides, which typically consist of several related females, their offspring, and a few males. This social structure is fundamental to their hunting success. When it comes to hunting, lions exhibit a variety of tactics that highlight their teamwork. For instance, while one lion may act as a distraction, drawing the attention of the prey, other lions can stealthily position themselves to flank the target. This coordinated effort increases the likelihood of a successful ambush. By working together, lions can also take down larger prey, which would be nearly impossible for a single lion to tackle alone. The teamwork displayed during a hunt allows them to manage risks more effectively, as they can engage multiple angles of attack, confusing and overwhelming their target. Moreover, the roles within the pride can vary during a hunt. Some lions may be more adept at chasing, while others might excel in the final pounce. This division of labor not only maximizes efficiency, but also ensures that every member of the pride contributes to the hunt. As a result, the likelihood of bringing down a large animal, such as a wildebeest or a zebra, is greatly increased. The success of a hunt is not just about catching prey, it also involves the sharing of resources afterwards. When a pride successfully hunts, they can share the meal, ensuring that each member, including the cubs, gets the nourishment they need to thrive. In addition to improving their hunting success, teamwork in lions fosters social bonds within the pride. These bonds are essential as they create a sense of unity and cooperation that extends beyond hunting. Lions that work together are more likely to defend their territory, care for their young, and support each other in times of need. This social structure is vital for survival, as it allows them to face threats from rival prides and other predators, and even the challenges posed by their environment. The significance of teamwork in lion hunting is a testament to the power of cooperation in the animal kingdom. By leveraging their social nature, lions exemplify how united efforts can lead to greater achievements, not only in hunting, but also in the intricate web of nature. Key mechanisms and processes play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. One such process is photosynthesis, a fascinating phenomenon where plants, algae, and certain bacteria convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. This not only provides energy for the plants, but also produces the oxygen that many living organisms depend on. The chlorophyll in plant cells captures sunlight, enabling this transformation, which is crucial for life on Earth. Another significant mechanism is the water cycle, a continuous movement of water within the Earth and atmosphere. It involves processes such as evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and infiltration. Water evaporates from the surface of oceans, lakes, and rivers, rising into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses into clouds, ultimately falling back to the surface as rain or snow, replenishing our water sources and sustaining all forms of life. Additionally, the process of pollination is essential for the reproduction of many plants. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators transfer pollen from the male parts of flowers to the female parts, allowing fertilization to occur. This process is vital for the production of fruits and seeds, and it greatly impacts food production for humans and animals alike. Without pollinators, many plants would struggle to reproduce, leading to a decline in biodiversity. The nutrient cycling system is another critical mechanism wherein nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium move through the environment. They are taken up by plants, consumed by animals, and eventually return to the soil through decomposition. This cycle ensures that ecosystems remain healthy and productive, allowing life to thrive. Moreover, the process of natural selection is fundamental to evolution. Organisms that are better adapted to their environment tend to survive and reproduce, passing on their advantageous traits to the next generation. This gradual change over time can lead to the development of new species, showcasing the incredible diversity of life on our planet. In marine environments, the process of ocean circulation, driven by wind, water density, and the Earth's rotation, plays a critical role in regulating climate and distributing nutrients. Warm surface waters move towards the poles, while cold, nutrient-rich waters rise from the depths, supporting complex marine ecosystems and influencing weather patterns. Lastly, the process of decomposition is vital for recycling organic matter. Decomposers like fungi and bacteria break down dead plants and animals, returning essential nutrients to the soil. This not only enriches the earth but also supports new plant growth, ensuring the continuation of life cycles. Lions, as apex predators, have developed a range of sophisticated hunting techniques that enable them to effectively target large herbivores such as wildebeest, zebras, and buffalo. These techniques are not only a testament to their physical prowess, but also showcase their teamwork and strategic planning, which are essential for a successful hunt. One of the most common methods lions use is called stalking, where they rely on their keen eyesight and well-camouflaged fur to blend into the tall grasses of the savanna. This allows them to get as close as possible to their prey without being detected. Once they are within striking distance, lions often use the element of surprise to their advantage, launching a rapid sprint to close the gap between themselves and their target. Another technique involves ambush, where lions will position themselves strategically along known animal paths or near water sources. This tactic takes advantage of the predictable movements of herbivores, who often follow the same routes to access food and water. By hiding in dense vegetation or behind natural cover, lions can remain unseen until the perfect moment to pounce arises, making their attacks both sudden and effective. Additionally, lions tend to hunt in groups or prides, which significantly enhances their hunting success. Coordination among pride members is crucial. They often work together to encircle and herd prey. One lion may distract the target by charging at it, while others flank the animal, making it difficult for the herbivore to escape. Furthermore, lions exhibit a technique known as chase, where they utilize their speed and stamina to pursue prey over longer distances. This is particularly effective when targeting species like wildebeests that can run fast but tire out quickly. During the chase, lions rely on their ability to maintain speed and stamina, often taking turns in the pursuit to ensure they can keep up the chase without exhausting themselves too soon. Interestingly, lions are also highly adaptive hunters. They adjust their methods based on the species they are targeting, as well as the environment in which they are hunting. For example, when hunting in open grasslands, they may use more stealth and stalking, while in denser areas they might rely on ambush tactics. Moreover, lions are known to use vocalizations to communicate with each other during hunts. These sounds can coordinate movements or signal a change in strategy, enhancing their effectiveness as a group. Once the prey is caught, lions employ their powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite, usually targeting the throat or the back. Lions, known as the kings of the jungle, employ a fascinating blend of stealth and ambush tactics to catch their prey, which is essential for their survival in the wild. These magnificent creatures are not just powerful, they also possess remarkable skills that allow them to be successful hunters. Usually lions hunt in groups called prides, which can consist of several related females and their young, along with a few males. The cooperative nature of their hunting strategy is what makes them so effective. Stealth is crucial, as lions often use the cover of tall grass and bushes to hide their presence, staying low to the ground and moving quietly so they don't alert their potential prey. The females, who are the primary hunters, work together to stalk their target, often employing strategic positioning to surround the prey. They will carefully observe the behavior of herbivores, looking for signs of weakness or distraction, and they tend to choose prey that is isolated from the rest of the herd. This careful planning is essential, as lions generally hunt large animals like zebras, wildebeests, and antelopes, which can be quite dangerous if they feel threatened. When they are ready to strike, lions can reach impressive speeds, sprinting short distances of up to 50 miles per hour, but only for brief moments, as they lack stamina for long chases. Therefore, they rely heavily on the element of surprise. Once the lionesses have gotten as close as possible, often within 20 to 30 meters of the prey, they will launch their attack, using the cover of grass to conceal their movement until the last moment. This sudden burst of speed, combined with the advantage of being hidden, allows them to catch their prey off guard. Moreover, ambush tactics also include using the landscape to their advantage. Lions might hide behind rocks, trees, or other natural features, waiting patiently for the right moment to strike. This patience is key, as they may need to wait for long periods, holding still and watching until they see an opportunity. In some cases, lions may also use distractions to their advantage, with one lion drawing the attention of the prey, while others set up for an ambush from the opposite side. This teamwork shows the intelligence of these animals as they communicate and coordinate their efforts effectively. Once the lions make contact, their powerful bodies and sharp claws do the rest. They aim for the throat or the nose to quickly incapacitate their prey. The environment plays a crucial role in shaping the hunting strategies of lions, as these magnificent creatures have adapted their behaviors and techniques to thrive in their specific habitats. Lions primarily inhabit savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands, where the landscape influences their hunting methods. In these environments, the availability of prey, such as zebras, wildebeests, and antelopes, determines when and how lions hunt. For instance, when prey is abundant, lions may hunt in larger groups, utilizing their social structure to increase the chances of a successful hunt. This social aspect is vital, as lions are unique among big cats for their cooperative hunting strategies, which are often dictated by the terrain and the type of vegetation present. In dense environments such as thick bush or forests, lions may rely on stealth and ambush tactics, taking advantage of the cover provided by the landscape to sneak up on their prey. They often use the element of surprise, remaining hidden until they are close enough to launch a quick attack. Conversely, in open savannas, lions might employ a different strategy, using their speed and strength to chase down prey over longer distances. The open terrain allows them to see their prey from afar, enabling them to plan their approach more effectively. Understanding wind direction is also crucial, as lions must ensure that their scent does not alert their prey, so they often position themselves downwind before initiating a hunt. Seasonal changes in the environment further influence lion hunting strategies, as during the dry season, when water sources are scarce, prey animals congregate around remaining waterholes, making them easier targets for lions. During this time, lions may adjust their hunting times, becoming more active in the cooler hours of the day, such as early morning or late evening, to maximize their chances of a successful hunt. Additionally, the presence of other predators in the area can impact lion behavior. They may choose to hunt in different locations or alter their strategies to avoid competition. Moreover, the social structure of a lion pride, which is strongly influenced by the environment, also plays a significant role in their hunting strategies. A pride's size, the number of adult females, and the presence of males can all affect how they hunt together. In areas where food is plentiful, larger prides may form, allowing them to take down larger prey, while in regions with scarce resources, smaller groups might be more effective. The environment shapes not only the physical aspects of hunting, but also the social dynamics that are essential for lions, known for their impressive hunting skills, rely on a combination of keen observation, social dynamics, and instinct to determine the right moment to initiate a chase during a hunt. When hunting in a pride, lions often work together, and each member has a role to play. They typically utilize their excellent eyesight, which is adapted for low light conditions, allowing them to spot prey from a distance. As they approach their target, lions will often crouch low, using the cover of grass or bushes to avoid detection. This stealthy approach is crucial, as prey animals like wildebeest or zebras have sharp senses and can easily detect movement. Moreover, the social structure of the pride plays a significant role in their hunting strategy. Lions communicate with each other through various vocalizations and body language, signaling when it's time to move closer or when to wait for the right opportunity. The lead lion, often a female, will assess the behavior of the herd of prey, observing their movements and reactions. If the prey appears relaxed, the lions might hold back, waiting for a moment when the prey becomes distracted or separated. Timing is everything. If the lions charge too early, they risk alerting the prey and losing their chance. In addition, the lions take into account the wind direction, which can carry their scent to the prey. They prefer to approach from downwind, ensuring that their scent does not alert the animals they are stalking. Once they are close enough, the lions will often wait for a moment when the prey is vulnerable, such as when it is grazing or distracted, before launching their attack. This moment can vary significantly, depending on the specific circumstances, including the terrain, the size of the prey, and even the size of the hunting party. The chase itself is usually short, as lions are built for bursts of speed rather than long-distance running. They rely on their strength and speed in short sprints, often targeting the weak or young members of a herd, which makes their hunting strategy not just about timing, but also about choosing the right target. The excitement of the chase is often a coordinated effort, with multiple lions trying to surround and cut off the prey's escape routes. Overall, the combination of keen senses, social cooperation, and tactical thinking allows lions to determine the perfect moment to initiate a chase, showcasing their adaptability and skill as one of nature's top predators. Lions, the majestic big cats known as the kings of the savannah, possess a variety of fascinating physiological adaptations that make them exceptional hunters, particularly when they work as a pride. One of the most notable features is their impressive muscular build, which grants them the strength and power necessary to tackle large prey such as wildebeests and zebras. Their bodies are designed for explosive bursts of speed, allowing them to sprint short distances to catch their quarry, while their powerful forelimbs and sharp, retractable claws aid in grappling and holding on to struggling victims. Another key adaptation lies in their social structure, which is unique among big cats. Lions are the only felines that live in social groups called prides, usually consisting of several related females, their cubs, and a few males. This social behavior enhances their hunting success, as lions often coordinate their efforts to take down larger prey. For example, female lions, who are the primary hunters, will often work together, using their keen senses to communicate and strategize. Their excellent night vision enables them to hunt effectively in low-light conditions, while their acute hearing helps them detect the sounds of potential prey from a distance. In addition to their physical prowess, lions have specialized adaptations in their dental structure. Their large canine teeth are designed for delivering a fatal bite, allowing them to quickly subdue prey. Furthermore, their strong jaws and sharp premolars assist in tearing flesh, making the consumption of meat more efficient, which is crucial for their survival. Interestingly, lions also have a unique adaptation in their social behavior. They often share food within the pride. This not only strengthens social bonds, but also ensures that all members, including the young and the old, receive the necessary nutrition. Another fascinating aspect of their hunting strategy is their use of stealth and patience. Lions often rely on their tawny coats, which provide excellent camouflage in the grasslands, allowing them to blend into their surroundings. By staying low to the ground and moving quietly, they can get closer to unsuspecting prey. When the moment is right, they utilize their powerful legs to launch a surprise attack, often targeting the weakest or most vulnerable animals within a herd. This calculated approach increases their chances of a successful hunt. Moreover, lions exhibit a unique form of teamwork, with females often taking the lead in hunting. They may employ various tactics, such as encircling a herd to isolate a target, or positioning themselves strategically to cut off escape routes. This collaborative effort not only showcases the presence of cubs in a lion pride, significantly influences the hunting behavior of adult lions, altering the dynamics of how they pursue and capture prey, as well as how they share responsibilities among themselves. When cubs are present, adult lions, especially the lionesses, often become more cautious and strategic in their hunting approaches. This shift is primarily because the safety and well-being of the cubs take precedence, leading the adults to prioritize hunting in areas where prey is abundant, but also where the risk of predator encounters is minimized. Lionesses, who typically do most of the hunting, will often choose to hunt in groups, employing coordinated strategies that not only increase their chances of a successful kill, but also ensure that they can return safely to the cubs. Moreover, the presence of cubs can lead to a more varied diet for the pride, as the adults may target smaller, easier-to-catch animals that are less likely to injure them or pose a danger to the young lions. This careful selection of prey is crucial, as cubs need to be fed regularly and their nutritional needs are different from those of adults. When cubs are old enough to start eating meat, adult lions may also bring back smaller kills or even parts of larger kills, allowing the cubs to practice their feeding skills while still being protected and supervised by the adults. In addition to influencing the type of prey targeted, the presence of cubs can also affect the timing of hunts. Adult lions may hunt during cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late afternoon, to avoid the heat that could exhaust both them and the young cubs. This behavioral adaptation helps ensure that the pride remains strong and that the cubs grow up healthy, as they are shielded from harsh conditions while still receiving the nourishment they require. Furthermore, the social structure of the pride is influenced by the presence of cubs, as adult lions often exhibit increased cooperation and support for one another. They may share the responsibility of guarding the cubs while others hunt, which fosters a sense of community and strengthens the bonds within the pride. This cooperative behavior is essential, especially when the cubs are very young and vulnerable. However, it's important to note that the presence of cubs can also attract unwanted attention from rival prides or other predators, leading to heightened vigilance during hunts and while returning to the cubs. Adult lions may double their efforts in scouting and guarding their territory, ensuring that they can protect their young from lions, as apex predators have developed several strategies to cope with competition from other predators during a hunt, which is crucial for their survival in the wild. One of the most notable strategies lions employ is teamwork. They often hunt in groups, known as prides, which allows them to coordinate their efforts and increase their chances of success. By working together, lions can surround and isolate their prey, making it harder for other predators, like hyenas or leopards, to steal their meal. This cooperative hunting strategy not only improves their efficiency, but also allows them to take down larger prey that individual lions might struggle to tackle alone. Additionally, lions are known for their ability to use stealth and patience while hunting. They often utilize the cover of tall grass and other natural landscapes to approach their prey quietly, waiting for the right moment to pounce. This stealthy approach helps them avoid detection, not only from their intended target, but also from other predators that may be lurking nearby. Furthermore, lions tend to hunt during the cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late evening, when their prey is more active, while also reducing competition with scavengers that typically come out during the heat of the day. Furthermore, lions defend their prized territory vigorously, which is another way to minimize competition. By marking their territory with scent markings and vocalizations, they signal to other predators that the area is claimed, helping to deter rivals from encroaching on their hunting grounds. This territoriality means that lions can secure access to abundant prey without interference from other carnivores, allowing them to hunt more freely. Moreover, lions often adapt their hunting strategies based on the presence of other predators. For instance, if they spot hyenas nearby, they may change their approach, opting for prey that is less desirable to the scavengers. Or they might hunt in areas where the competition is less fierce. This adaptability is crucial as it allows lions to make the most of the resources available to them while minimizing risks from other predators. In some cases, lions will also employ intimidation tactics, using their size and strength to scare off smaller predators, such as jackals or smaller carnivores, from scavenging on their kills. By asserting dominance, they can ensure that their hard work in hunting does not go to waste. In instances where they must share a kill with other predators, they may consume their meal quickly, eating as much as they can before the competition arrives, demonstrating a sense. Seasonal changes play a significant role in shaping the hunting patterns of lion prides, as these majestic creatures adapt their behaviors to align with the availability of prey and the shifting environmental conditions throughout the year. During the wet season, when grasses are lush and water sources are plentiful, herbivores, such as zebras and wildebeests, tend to spread out over a wider area, making it more challenging for lions to hunt effectively. In this time, lion prides may change their strategies, opting for shorter, more targeted hunts, focusing on specific locations where they know prey will gather, such as near waterholes or areas with dense vegetation that offer cover. As the dry season approaches, the environment transforms dramatically, with water sources becoming scarce and vegetation wilting. This change leads to a natural concentration of prey animals around the remaining waterholes, creating opportunities for lions to capitalize on this predictable behavior. During this time, lion prides often take on a more cooperative approach to hunting, working together to ambush prey that come to drink. The increased cooperation can be seen in the way lions coordinate their movements, using the element of surprise to their advantage, which often results in successful kills. Moreover, Seasonal changes also affect the social dynamics within lion prides. When prey is abundant, prides may be larger as they can support the presence of more individuals, but as resources dwindle during the dry months, competition increases, leading to tensions within the group. This can result in some lions being pushed out to form smaller, separate groups, or even solitary lifestyles, as they seek out new territories where food is more plentiful. These social shifts directly influence hunting success, as smaller groups may need to rely on stealth and speed rather than the coordinated tactics employed by larger prides. In addition, the reproductive cycle of lions also ties into seasonal changes. When conditions are favorable, with plenty of food available, lionesses are more likely to give birth and raise cubs, which requires a substantial amount of food to support both the mothers and their young. Consequently, during the period when cubs are born, hunting patterns may shift again, as lionesses will often take fewer risks, focusing on safer, more reliable prey to ensure the safety of their offspring. This protective behavior can lead to a more cautious approach to hunting, as the pride prioritizes the safety of its young. Overall, the interplay between seasonal changes, prey availability, and social dynamics within lion prides creates a complex web of behaviors that are finely tuned to the environment. Lions, being apex predators in their ecosystems, exhibit remarkable adaptability in their hunting strategies, particularly in response to changes in prey availability, which can be influenced by various factors, such as seasonal variations, environmental changes, and competition with other predators. When prey becomes scarce, lions often modify their hunting techniques to increase their chances of a successful kill. For instance, they may shift from their usual group hunting tactics, where pride members work together to surround and ambush prey, to a more solitary approach, utilizing stealth and patience to stalk individual animals. This change is crucial when dealing with skittish or solitary prey, which can be more easily spooked in the presence of multiple lions. Additionally, lions may alter their hunting times, becoming more active during cooler parts of the day, such as early mornings or late evenings, which allows them to conserve energy and take advantage of prey that is also more active during these times. They might also expand their hunting range, venturing into new territories in search of food, which can sometimes lead them into areas where they have to compete with other predators, such as hyenas or leopards. In some cases, when they encounter competition from these other carnivores, lions have been known to adapt by changing their prey selection, opting for smaller or faster animals that may not be the usual targets for the pride. Moreover, when specific prey populations decline, lions are capable of becoming opportunistic feeders, scavenging when the chance arises, or even taking down larger animals that they might not typically tackle alone, relying on their strength and teamwork. The pride structure plays a significant role in these adaptations, as younger lions may learn from older, more experienced members about new strategies and techniques that prove successful in varying circumstances. In times of drought or food shortages, lions have been observed to engage in more strategic planning, such as chasing prey into areas where they have the advantage, like dense brush or near water sources where animals may be less agile. Interestingly, these adaptations are not only physical but also social, as lions communicate and cooperate with one another to improve their hunting success. They may change the social dynamics within the pride, with younger lions taking on more responsibility in hunting, while older lions conserve energy for the more demanding aspects of pride life, such as defending territory. This flexibility in their hunting strategies highlights the intelligence and social complexity of lions, showcasing their ability to thrive in ever-changing environments, which is essential for their survival in the wild. Nature has always inspired innovation, and in recent years the applications of nature-inspired solutions have grown tremendously, impacting various fields such as medicine, engineering, and environmental sustainability. One fascinating example is biomimicry, which studies nature's designs and processes to create new technologies. The way a lotus flower repels dirt has led to the development of self-cleaning surfaces, benefiting industries like textiles and construction, where maintaining cleanliness is crucial. In the medical field, researchers have looked to the natural world for ideas on healing. The study of how certain animals like axolotls regenerate limbs has sparked interest in regenerative medicine, potentially leading to breakthroughs in healing human injuries. In agriculture, nature's own systems have inspired more sustainable practices. The idea of permaculture, which mimics natural ecosystems, encourages farmers to design their land in a way that promotes biodiversity and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, leading to healthier crops and soils. This approach has gained traction, especially as concerns about food security and environmental degradation grow. Furthermore, scientists are exploring how the behavior of ants can inform new methods of optimizing urban traffic flow, as ants effectively communicate and work together to navigate their environments. By studying these tiny creatures, researchers hope to develop smarter, more efficient city planning solutions. The realm of renewable energy has also benefited from nature's ingenuity. Wind turbine designs, for example, have been influenced by the study of how certain birds and fish move through air and water, resulting in more efficient energy capture. This connection to nature not only helps in reducing our carbon footprint, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the ecosystems that inspire such innovations. Additionally, research into the photosynthesis process has led to advancements in solar energy technologies, striving to mimic how plants convert sunlight into energy, which could revolutionize the way we harness solar power. Furthermore, the impact of nature on mental health has gained attention, with studies showing that spending time in natural environments can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. Urban planners are now incorporating green spaces into city designs, recognizing the importance of nature in maintaining residents' health, creating parks and community gardens that promote outdoor activity and social interaction. The concept of biophilic design is becoming more popular in architecture, integrating natural elements into buildings to improve occupants' comfort and productivity. In marine biology, the study of coral reefs has led to significant insights into climate change, as these ecosystems serve as indicators of ocean health. Efforts to protect and restore coral reefs, our lion hunting behavior plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance in their habitats, as these magnificent creatures are apex predators, sitting at the top of the food chain. By hunting large herbivores, such as zebras, antelopes, and wildebeests, lions help regulate the populations of these species, preventing them from overgrazing the vegetation in their environment. This is vital, as overgrazing can lead to habitat degradation, affecting not just the plants, but also the entire ecosystem, including other animal species that rely on the same resources. Moreover, when lions hunt, they often target the weaker members of prey populations, such as the sick, old, or injured individuals. This selective pressure can enhance the health of prey populations, allowing for stronger genes to be passed on, which contributes to the overall resilience of the species. Additionally, lion hunting behavior can create opportunities for scavengers, like hyenas, vultures, and jackals. After a lion has hunted and consumed its meal, the leftover carcass becomes a food source for these scavengers, which play their own important role in the ecosystem by helping to clean up and recycle nutrients back into the soil. This scavenging process ensures that nothing goes to waste, promoting a healthy and thriving environment. Furthermore, by establishing territories and hunting patterns, lions influence the movement of herbivores, which can lead to a more even distribution of grazing across the landscape. This behavior helps to prevent localized overgrazing and allows various plant species a chance to flourish, supporting biodiversity. In areas where lions are present, their hunting activities can also discourage smaller predators from overhunting, maintaining a balance among various predator species. This can create a complex web of interactions, where each species, from plants to herbivores to predators, relies on one another for survival. Without lions, herbivore numbers might surge unchecked, leading to significant declines in vegetation, and consequently affecting the entire ecosystem. Thus, the hunting behavior of lions not only influences the immediate prey populations, but also has ripple effects throughout the ecosystem, showcasing their importance in sustaining ecological balance. It's fascinating to see how these majestic big cats, through their natural instincts and behaviors, contribute to a healthier environment, ensuring that the intricate balance of life persists in the savannas and grasslands they call home. Lion hunting, particularly in regions where these majestic creatures coexist with livestock, creates a complex web of effects on local human communities, leading to both challenges and opportunities. In many areas of Africa, where lions roam freely, they often prey on livestock, which can cause significant economic losses for farmers and herders. This loss can lead to heightened tensions between humans and lions, as communities fear for their livelihoods, and the instinct to protect their herds can result in retaliatory killings of lions. The emotional toll on communities is considerable, as these animals hold cultural significance, and their decline can diminish local pride and heritage. Conversely, regulated lion hunting can provide financial incentives for communities, offering them a way to benefit from the presence of these big cats. When managed sustainably, hunting can generate income through permits and tourism, which can be reinvested into community projects, schools, and healthcare. This economic boost can create a sense of ownership over wildlife, encouraging communities to protect lions rather than see them as purely a threat. In some cases, communities have formed partnerships with conservation organizations, developing programs that promote coexistence strategies, such as building predator-proof enclosures for livestock or using guardian animals like dogs to deter lions from approaching herds. Moreover, the presence of well-managed hunting programs can also lead to increased awareness about conservation and the importance of biodiversity. Local communities may become more engaged in conservation efforts, understanding that healthy lion populations contribute to balanced ecosystems. This awareness can foster a sense of stewardship, prompting people to take action to preserve their natural heritage. However, the key lies in ensuring that hunting practices are ethical and that communities are involved in decision-making processes so they feel empowered rather than exploited. It's also vital to consider the potential negative impacts of lion hunting on social dynamics within communities. As income from hunting varies, it can create disparities, leading to conflicts among community members over resource distribution. If not managed carefully, the benefits of hunting can sometimes favor a select few, exacerbating local inequalities and tensions. Therefore, it's essential for any hunting initiative to prioritize community engagement and equitable benefit sharing, ensuring that all voices are heard and that the rewards are distributed fairly. In summary, the impact of lion hunting on local human communities is multifaceted, intertwining economic, social, and cultural threads, with the potential for both positive and negative outcomes. The key to fostering a harmonious coexistence between lions and humans lies in sustainable management practices, inclusive community involvement, and a deep respect for the cultural significance of wildlife. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting lion prides are deeply intertwined with their hunting habits, as these habits not only affect the individual lions, but also the entire ecosystem in which they reside. Lions are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain, and their hunting behaviors play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitats. When lion prides hunt, they typically target herbivores, such as zebras, antelopes, and wildebeests, which helps regulate the populations of these species. This regulation is essential because if herbivore populations become too large, they can overgraze vegetation, leading to habitat degradation, which ultimately affects the entire ecosystem, including other wildlife and plant species. In regions where lions are hunted or their populations are declining due to human activities, the absence of these predators can lead to an overpopulation of herbivores. This overpopulation can result in significant changes to the landscape, such as reduced plant diversity, which can then impact other species that depend on those plants for survival. Consequently, conservation efforts must consider the hunting habits of lion prides, as they are vital for controlling herbivore populations and maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Moreover, the hunting success of lion prides can also be influenced by environmental factors, such as the availability of prey and habitat conditions. If prey becomes scarce due to factors like drought or human encroachment, lion prides may struggle to find food. This struggle can lead to increased competition among lions, higher mortality rates, and a decline in pride numbers. In this context, conservation strategies often focus on ensuring that lions have access to sufficient prey and suitable habitats, which means protecting not just the lions themselves, but also the entire community of species they rely on. Human attitudes towards lions and their hunting habits also play a significant role in conservation. In some areas, local communities may view lions as a threat to their livestock, leading to retaliatory killings that further reduce lion populations. Therefore, successful conservation efforts often involve community engagement, educating locals about the ecological importance of lions, and promoting coexistence strategies that minimize human-wildlife conflict. For instance, protecting livestock through the use of guard animals, or building more secure enclosures, can help alleviate some of the tensions between humans and lions. Additionally, the economic aspect of conservation cannot be overlooked. In regions where lions attract tourism, the financial benefits of protecting lions can provide an incentive for local communities to support conservation efforts. When local people see tangible benefits, such as income from ecotourism, lion prides play a significant role in tourism and conservation initiatives in Africa, as they are often seen as iconic symbols of the continent's wildlife, drawing in millions of visitors each year who come to witness these majestic animals in their natural habitats. Tourists flock to national parks and reserves such as the Serengeti in Tanzania and the Masai Mara in Kenya to observe lion prides, which not only boosts the local economy but also raises awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation. As these tourists engage in safari experiences, they contribute to funding that supports anti-poaching efforts, habitat preservation, and community-based conservation programs. Moreover, the presence of lion prides can be a catalyst for conservation initiatives, as their declining populations have prompted various organizations to implement measures aimed at protecting these magnificent creatures, which are often threatened by habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and illegal hunting. In many cases, tourism revenue is reinvested into conservation programs that aim to ensure the survival of lion prides and other wildlife species, creating a positive feedback loop where tourism supports conservation and conservation enhances the tourism experience. In summer, these visitors flock to the city pools. The sea turtles, their terrier, local communities often benefit directly from this relationship, as they may receive a share of the profits generated from wildlife tourism, which can motivate them to protect the animals and their habitats, instead of resorting to activities that harm wildlife. Additionally, educational programs aimed at tourists highlight the ecological importance of lion prides, emphasizing their role in the ecosystem as apex predators, which helps maintain the balance of other wildlife populations. Furthermore, the allure of lion prides has spurred various conservation initiatives, such as the establishment of wildlife corridors that allow these animals to roam freely between protected areas, which is vital for their genetic diversity and overall health. By fostering an appreciation for lion prides, tourism can lead to greater public support for conservation policies and efforts, creating a more sustainable future for these animals. The storytelling aspect of tourism also plays a role, as guides and conservationists share the intricate social dynamics of lion prides, their hunting strategies, and their familial bonds, deepening visitors' understanding and connection to these creatures and encouraging them to advocate for their protection. Finally, as tourism evolves, there is a growing emphasis on responsible and sustainable practices that prioritize the welfare of wildlife and their habitats. Many tour operators and lodges are now adopting eco-friendly practices, which not only reduce their environmental impact, but also enhance the overall visitor experience by promoting the idea that preserving nature is essential for future generations. In this way, lion prides serve as a focal point. Understanding lion hunting behavior is crucial for effective wildlife management and conservation strategies, as it provides insights into the dynamics of ecosystems and the role that lions play within them. Lions, being apex predators, significantly influence the populations of their prey, which can include various herbivores such as zebras, wildebeests, and antelopes. By studying how lions hunt, researchers can identify patterns in their behavior, such as preferred hunting techniques, times of day they are most active, and their social structures during hunts. For instance, lions are known for their cooperative hunting methods, where they often work together in groups to take down larger prey, showcasing a level of social interaction that is vital for their success as hunters. This cooperative behavior can be influenced by factors such as prey availability, environmental conditions, and even the presence of competing predators. By observing these interactions, wildlife managers can better understand how lion populations react to changes in their environment, including habitat loss, human encroachment, or shifts in prey populations. This knowledge allows for the development of targeted conservation strategies that address the specific needs of lions, ensuring their survival while maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Furthermore, the study of lion hunting behavior also provides important information about their territoriality and space use, which is essential for establishing wildlife reserves and protected areas. By knowing the areas where lions prefer to hunt and roam, conservationists can implement measures to minimize human-wildlife conflict, such as creating buffer zones or corridors that allow lions to move safely between different habitats. Understanding the impact of human activities on lion hunting behavior is also critical. For example, if hunting pressure from humans reduces prey availability, lions may adapt their hunting strategies, which can lead to increased competition among them and affect their overall health and reproduction rates. In addition, studying the responses of lions to environmental stressors, such as droughts or changes in prey populations due to climate change, can help conservationists predict how lion populations might fare in the future. By using this information, wildlife managers can implement adaptive management practices, which are flexible and can change as new data becomes available, ensuring that strategies remain effective in protecting lions and their habitats. Moreover, engaging local communities in conservation efforts based on an understanding of lion hunting behavior can foster coexistence between humans and wildlife. Educating people about the ecological role of lions and how their hunting behavior influences the balance of the ecosystem can encourage community support for conservation initiatives. When communities realize that healthy lion populations contribute to the overall health of the APH, the hunting behavior of lions offers a fascinating lens through which to examine predator-prey dynamics in various ecosystems, showcasing a blend of strategy, social structure, and environmental adaptation. Lions, as social hunters, often rely on cooperation within their prides, which illustrates how social behaviors can enhance hunting success. This teamwork allows them to tackle larger prey, such as wildebeests or zebras, by coordinating their movements and employing tactics that capitalize on the strengths of each lion, highlighting the importance of group dynamics in the survival of a species. In stark contrast, other predators, like solitary leopards or stealthy ambush predators, demonstrate different strategies that can still be understood through the lens of lion hunting behavior. For instance, leopards rely on stealth and camouflage, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to pounce, which emphasizes the role of patience and individual skill in predator-prey interactions. By studying lions, researchers can draw parallels, noting how different hunting styles emerge based on environmental factors and prey availability, thereby enriching the understanding of ecological niches and the adaptability of various species. Furthermore, the way lions select their prey can provide insights into the broader dynamics of predator-prey relationships. They often target the weakest individuals in a herd, which not only ensures a successful hunt, but also helps maintain the health of prey populations by allowing stronger individuals to thrive. This behavior mirrors that of other predators, such as wolves, which also tend to focus on the young, old, or sick members of a herd, thereby influencing the evolutionary pressures on prey species. By examining these selective hunting patterns, ecologists can gain a deeper understanding of natural selection and the balance of ecosystems, as each predator-prey interaction contributes to the overall stability of the environment. Moreover, the impact of environmental changes on lion hunting behavior serves as an important case study for understanding how other species might adapt to shifting landscapes. Lions often adjust their hunting strategies based on prey availability, seasonal changes, and human encroachment, which can lead to alterations in their typical hunting grounds. Such adaptability is crucial for survival, and by studying these changes in lions, scientists can better predict how other animals might respond to habitat loss or climate change, providing valuable insights into conservation efforts. The social structure of lion prides also sheds light on the importance of familial bonds and cooperation in hunting success. The dynamics within a pride can influence how effectively lions hunt, as well as how they share food and protect their territory. This social aspect is mirrored in other species, such as dolphins. Changes in prey populations have a profound impact on the hunting success and survival of lion prides, as these majestic animals rely heavily on the availability of their preferred prey, which primarily includes large herbivores such as wildebeest, zebras, and buffalo. When prey populations are abundant, lions can hunt more easily, as there are more animals available to target, leading to higher success rates during hunts. In contrast, if prey numbers decline, perhaps due to drought, disease, or increased predation from other species, lions may find it increasingly difficult to secure enough food, which can lead to hunger and malnutrition within the pride. Moreover, the dynamics of hunting success are not just about sheer numbers. The behavior and movement patterns of prey species also play a crucial role. For instance, if a herd of wildebeest migrates away from a pride's territory, lions may have to venture far from their usual hunting grounds, which can increase the energy expenditure and risk involved in hunting. As a result, pride members may need to adapt their hunting strategies, sometimes forming larger groups, to increase their chances of catching prey, or shifting their focus to smaller, less preferred animals, which may not provide sufficient nutrition for the entire pride. Additionally, changes in prey populations can also affect the social structure and dynamics within lion prides. If hunting becomes more challenging due to diminished prey availability, it may lead to increased competition among pride members for food, potentially resulting in conflicts within the group. In extreme cases, this stress might cause some younger lions to disperse from their natal pride in search of better opportunities elsewhere. On the other hand, if prey populations rebound and become abundant, prides may experience increased reproductive success, as well-fed females are more likely to give birth to healthy cubs and successfully raise them to maturity. The timing of these changes is also significant. For example, if a drought affects the grasslands where prey animals graze, not only does this impact the immediate availability of food for lions, but it can also have long-term effects on the entire ecosystem. In some cases, the decline of certain prey species can lead to the rise of others, which may not be as suited to the hunting techniques of lions, thereby forcing them to adapt or face the risk of starvation. Furthermore, human activities, such as poaching and habitat destruction, can exacerbate these challenges, leading to critical declines in prey populations, which, in turn, threatens lion prides and their survival. In summary, the relationship between lion prides in the intricate web of nature, challenges, and controversies abound, shaping the lives of countless species and ecosystems. For instance, one of the most pressing challenges is climate change, which has a profound impact on habitats, altering temperatures and precipitation patterns. Many animals, such as polar bears, are struggling to adapt to the rapid melting of sea ice, which is their primary hunting ground. As the ice shrinks, these majestic creatures are forced to swim longer distances in search of food, leading to increased stress and lower survival rates. Furthermore, climate change doesn't only affect temperature. It disrupts migration patterns of birds and hibernation cycles of other species, prompting questions about how these creatures will cope with the shifting seasons. Another significant issue is habitat destruction, often fueled by human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture. Rainforests, which are rich in biodiversity, are being cut down at alarming rates, threatening countless species that call these lush environments home. The loss of these habitats not only endangers plants and animals, but also affects entire ecosystems, leading to a decline in air quality and an increase in carbon dioxide levels. Controversies arise around conservation efforts, with some arguing for the necessity of preserving natural spaces, while others advocate for development and economic growth, leading to a complex debate about the balance between human needs and environmental protection. In the realm of adaptation, species have showcased remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. Take the case of the peppered moth in England, which famously adapted its coloration during the Industrial Revolution. As pollution darkened tree trunks, lighter-colored moths became more visible to predators, leading to a natural selection for darker moths, which blended in better with their surroundings. This phenomenon illustrates how species can quickly adjust to environmental changes, although not all species can adapt at the same pace, especially those with longer life cycles or slower reproductive rates. Moreover, invasive species present another layer of complexity, as they often outcompete native species for resources, leading to a decline in biodiversity. The introduction of the zebra mussel to North America is a prime example. This small but prolific mollusk has disrupted local ecosystems and caused extensive damage to water infrastructure. The controversy surrounding invasive species often centers on how to manage their populations, with various strategies proposed, ranging from eradication to controlled coexistence, each with its own set of challenges. As we delve deeper into the challenges faced by nature, we also encounter the ongoing discussions about conservation strategies. Some argue for more localized lion prides face numerous challenges in hunting, primarily due to habitat loss and human encroachment, which significantly impact their natural behavior and survival strategies. As human populations expand, more land is transformed for agriculture, urban development, and infrastructure, leading to a fragmentation of the lion's habitat. This fragmentation often results in smaller, isolated areas where lions can roam, which reduces the availability of their natural prey, such as wildebeest, zebras, and various antelope species. With less space to hunt, lion prides may struggle to find enough food, forcing them to travel longer distances, which can be exhausting and dangerous, especially for the young or old members of the pride. Moreover, as their natural habitats shrink, lions may venture closer to human settlements in search of food, which can lead to increased conflicts with humans. Livestock farming is particularly problematic, as lions are known to prey on domestic animals, resulting in retaliatory killings by farmers trying to protect their livestock. This conflict not only reduces the lion population, but can also disrupt the social structure of the prides, as older, experienced lions may be killed, leaving younger, less skilled individuals to take over hunting duties, which can further impact the pride's ability to hunt successfully. Additionally, habitat loss can lead to the decline of prey species due to overhunting and competition with livestock, creating a vicious cycle that makes it difficult for lions to thrive. With fewer prey animals available, lion prides must adapt their hunting strategies, which can include changing their hunting times or moving to areas where they might encounter prey. But these adaptations are not always sufficient to overcome the challenges posed by a rapidly changing environment. In some areas, lions have also been observed hunting in more open habitats, which can expose them to greater risks, such as poaching or human encounters, while also making it harder to stalk their prey effectively. The loss of tree cover and dense vegetation, which are crucial for cover and ambush, further complicates their hunting efforts, reducing their success rates. The overall decline in biodiversity due to habitat destruction can lead to an unstable ecosystem, which affects not just lions, but the entire food web. The imbalance can result in overpopulation of certain species, which might compete with lions for resources, or a decrease in prey species due to habitat degradation, making it increasingly difficult for lion prides to maintain their traditional hunting practices. Conservation efforts are essential to address these challenges, as protecting lion habitats and reducing human-wildlife conflict can help stabilize lion populations. Climate change and environmental shifts have significant impacts on the hunting behavior of lions, as these majestic big cats depend heavily on their habitat, prey availability, and environmental conditions. As temperatures rise and weather patterns change, the ecosystems where lions thrive are altered, leading to shifts in prey populations, which in turn affects how lions hunt. For instance, many prey species, such as wildebeests and zebras, migrate in response to changing climates, often seeking cooler areas or more reliable water sources, which can force lions to adapt their hunting strategies or travel longer distances in search of food. This increased movement not only demands more energy from the lions, but can also lead to competition with other predators, like hyenas, for dwindling food supplies. Moreover, as droughts become more frequent and severe due to climate change, the availability of water sources decreases, leading to decreased prey health and numbers, which can make hunting more challenging for lions. In some regions, the vegetation may become less dense, making it harder for lions to stalk their prey effectively, as they rely on cover to get close enough for a successful ambush. As a result, lions may need to change their hunting times, becoming more active during cooler parts of the day, such as early morning or late evening, to avoid the heat of the day. In addition, the fragmentation of habitats due to human activities, such as agriculture and urban development, exacerbates these challenges, as lions find it increasingly difficult to roam freely, which is essential for their hunting behavior. This habitat loss can lead to lions being forced into smaller areas, where they encounter more human activity, potentially leading to conflicts and further diminishing their hunting success. Furthermore, as climate change continues to affect the ecosystem, the balance between predator and prey can shift, leading to unforeseen consequences. For example, if certain prey species become scarce due to shifting climates, lions may have to adapt their diets, which can include hunting smaller or less preferred species, potentially impacting their health and the overall dynamics of the ecosystem. This adaptability is crucial, as lions have historically been apex predators, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of their habitats. But with climate change, their future hunting behaviors may become increasingly unpredictable. All of these factors illustrate just how interconnected the environment is and how changes in climate can ripple through ecosystems, affecting not only the prey that lions rely on, but also the very behaviors that define these magnificent hunters. The challenges posed by climate change compel lions to adapt in ways that can. Trophy hunting, a practice where hunters pay to hunt specific animals, often raises significant controversy, especially when it comes to iconic species like lions. Supporters of trophy hunting argue that it can contribute to conservation efforts, claiming that the funds generated from hunting licenses and fees can be used to protect habitats and support local communities. They believe that when done sustainably, trophy hunting can create economic incentives for local populations to conserve wildlife, rather than viewing it solely as a resource to be exploited. However, critics argue that trophy hunting poses serious ethical concerns, as it involves the killing of majestic animals for sport, often targeting the largest and healthiest individuals, which can disrupt the social structure of lion prides. This disruption can lead to increased competition among males for dominance, which may result in more aggression and instability within the pride, potentially leading to decreased overall population numbers. Moreover, the practice is said to contribute to the decline of lion populations, as hunting pressures can reduce genetic diversity and weaken resilience against diseases and environmental changes. The debate intensifies when discussing the effectiveness of regulations in place to ensure sustainable practices, with many questioning whether the systems in place are adequately enforced or if they merely serve as a facade for continued exploitation. Additionally, there are concerns that the focus on trophy hunting diverts attention and funding away from more holistic conservation approaches such as habitat preservation, anti-poaching efforts, and community-based conservation initiatives, which may ultimately have a more positive impact on lion populations and their ecosystems. As the conversation continues, it remains crucial to engage with local communities, ensuring that their voices and needs are heard, as they play a vital role in the ongoing struggle between conservation, wildlife management, and the ethical implications of trophy hunting. The future of lions, a species already under threat from habitat loss and poaching, is intertwined with these complex discussions, highlighting the need for informed choices that prioritize both animal welfare and effective conservation strategies. Misconceptions about lion hunting behavior can significantly shape conservation policies, often in ways that may not align with the best scientific understanding of these majestic creatures. For instance, many people believe that lions are ruthless hunters, indiscriminately killing for sport, almost like a game. This idea, while captivating, is not entirely accurate. In reality, lions are social animals that hunt in groups, utilizing complex strategies to take down prey. Their hunting behavior is primarily driven by necessity, as they need to feed their pride, which can include up to 15 individuals. Therefore, portraying lions as mere killers can lead to misguided policies that emphasize culling or hunting quotas, rather than focusing on habitat preservation or understanding the ecological roles that lions play. Furthermore, the misunderstanding that lions pose a significant threat to livestock can lead to increased tension between local communities and conservation efforts. When people believe that lions are a constant danger to their cattle, they may support policies that allow for the killing of lions to protect their livelihoods. This reaction can lead to the decline of lion populations, which are already threatened by habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. Instead, effective conservation policies should focus on education and community engagement, helping locals to understand that lions can be managed through coexistence strategies, such as using livestock protection techniques or compensation programs for livestock lost to predation. Additionally, misconceptions can fuel the illegal wildlife trade, as some may believe that hunting lions for their bones or trophies is a way to control their populations. This belief ignores the fact that hunting can actually destabilize lion prides, leading to social disruption and increased mortality among cubs. Conservation policies that are informed by factual information about lion social structures and population dynamics can promote sustainable practices, which not only help lion populations to thrive, but also support the overall health of the ecosystems they inhabit. Moreover, the romanticized image of lions as apex predators can overshadow the importance of their role as a keystone species in their environments. When conservation policies focus solely on their hunting prowess, they can neglect other vital aspects, such as their impact on prey populations and the balance of the ecosystem. Understanding that lions help regulate herbivore populations can lead to policies that promote biodiversity, as healthy lion populations contribute to the health of the entire savanna ecosystem. In sum, addressing misconceptions about lion hunting behavior not only aids in crafting more effective conservation policies, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for these animals and their ecological significance. By focusing on education and awareness, we can shift public perception, promoting a more nuanced. When discussing the management of lion populations, particularly in relation to hunting, several ethical considerations come into play, which are essential to understand. First, the concept of conservation versus exploitation is at the forefront of this debate. Many argue that regulated hunting can provide necessary funding for conservation efforts, as the fees collected from hunters can be used to protect habitats and support local communities. However, this raises questions about the morality of killing animals for sport, especially for a species that is already facing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Another key ethical concern revolves around the balance of power in ecosystems. Lions are apex predators, playing a critical role in maintaining the health of their environment. Overhunting can disrupt these ecosystems, leading to overpopulation of prey species, which may result in habitat degradation. It's crucial to consider whether hunting practices are sustainable and whether they truly benefit the lion populations and the broader ecological community. Furthermore, there are cultural and social dimensions to consider. In some regions, local communities may rely on hunting as part of their cultural heritage or as a means of livelihood. However, if hunting is primarily driven by foreign tourists, it raises ethical questions about who benefits from these activities and whether local people have a say in how their wildlife resources are managed. The involvement of local communities in conservation efforts is essential for ethical management, ensuring that they receive tangible benefits from preserving lion populations, rather than being sidelined in favor of profit-driven motives. The impact of trophy hunting cannot be overlooked either. Critics argue that the killing of iconic animals like lions for trophies sends a negative message about wildlife conservation, suggesting that it is acceptable to commodify nature. This perspective emphasizes the need to consider the emotional and psychological effects on communities and individual people who may feel a deep connection to these majestic creatures. Moreover, there is the question of fairness in hunting practices. Ethical management should also consider the age and health of the lions being hunted, as well as the method of hunting used. Hunting should ideally target older males who are past their prime and less involved in the pride's reproduction, thereby minimizing the impact on the overall population. Additionally, the role of law enforcement in preventing illegal poaching and ensuring that hunting is conducted within legal and ethical frameworks is crucial. Ethical management includes not only regulating legal hunts, but also addressing the broader issue of wildlife trafficking and ensuring that legal hunting does not inadvertently support illegal activities. Finally, the broader implications of climate change and habitat loss on lion prides, known for their social structure and teamwork, have shown remarkable adaptability in their hunting strategies, especially as prey populations decline due to various factors such as habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Traditionally, lions would rely on group hunting tactics, where females, who do most of the hunting, would work together to stalk, chase, and ambush their prey, often targeting species like wildebeest, zebras, and antelopes. However, as these prey species become scarcer, lion prides have had to modify their approaches to ensure their survival, One adaptation is the increase in the diversity of prey species hunted. When traditional prey becomes less available, lions may turn to smaller, more abundant animals such as warthogs or even livestock, which can be easier to catch and provide a reliable source of food. This shift not only helps the pride to maintain their energy levels, but also allows them to exploit different ecological niches, which can be crucial in times of scarcity. Additionally, lions have been observed to change their hunting times, becoming more active during cooler parts of the day or even at night, when their prey might be less vigilant and competition from other predators is reduced. Moreover, lion prides have also adapted by altering their social dynamics. In some cases, smaller prides may merge temporarily to increase their hunting success, pooling their strengths and numbers to take down larger prey, or to defend their territory more effectively. This kind of fluid social structure allows them to maximize their chances of finding food while still maintaining the benefits of living in a pride. Some prides, particularly those living in areas with high human activity, have also learned to become more stealthy and cautious, adapting their hunting techniques to avoid detection, which sometimes involves hunting closer to human settlements where prey may not be as wary. In areas where prey populations are critically low, lion prides have been documented to exhibit scavenging behaviors more frequently. Instead of relying solely on fresh kills, they may follow other predators, such as hyenas or leopards, to claim leftovers, or they may scavenge from carcasses left by humans. This scavenging strategy not only provides vital sustenance, but also highlights the flexibility of lions in the face of environmental changes. Lastly, the social learning aspect of lion behavior cannot be overlooked. Younger lions are keen observers of the older members of their pride, learning new strategies and techniques that may be more effective in a changing environment. This transfer of knowledge is essential for the survival of the competition. It significantly influences the hunting strategies of lions, as these magnificent creatures live in complex social structures called prides, which can consist of several related females, their young, and a coalition of males. In areas where multiple prides overlap, competition for territory and resources becomes fierce, leading to a range of adaptive strategies. Lions often hunt in groups, capitalizing on their social structure to take down larger prey, such as wildebeests or buffalo, which they might struggle to tackle alone. When a pride encounters another pride, they may need to defend their territory, which can lead to aggressive encounters, and this competition can impact their hunting behavior, as lions must balance the need to feed their own pride while also staying vigilant against rival groups. Interestingly, the presence of competing prides can drive lions to alter their hunting times and patterns. For instance, when they sense that rival lions are nearby, they might choose to hunt during different times of the day, such as at dawn or dusk, when there's less chance of an encounter. This strategic adjustment helps them secure food while minimizing the risk of conflict, which can be deadly. Moreover, when facing competition, lions might also change their target species, opting for smaller, more abundant prey that they can catch without drawing attention from competing prides. Hunting success can also be influenced by the social dynamics within a pride. For example, when food is scarce, lions may increase cooperation among themselves, coordinating their efforts to hunt more effectively. This teamwork is essential, as a well-coordinated hunt can lead to a higher success rate and enable the pride to feed more members, which is crucial during times of competition. In contrast, if a pride is confident and strong, they may take greater risks, targeting more challenging prey in hopes of securing a more substantial meal, but they must also be cautious of attracting the attention of nearby prides. Additionally, the competition can lead to fascinating behavioral adaptations, such as the way lions communicate. They often use vocalizations, scent, marking, and visual displays to assert dominance and maintain their territory, which can indirectly influence their hunting strategies. For instance, a pride that is successfully defending its territory might feel emboldened to hunt riskier prey, knowing that they have less competition in their immediate area. Conversely, a pride that is under threat might prioritize stealth and caution, ensuring that they can continue to survive in the face of competition. This interplay of competition and hunting strategies illustrates how interconnected the lives of lions are, not just within. In recent years, the field of conservation has seen significant modern advancements, particularly with the integration of technology, which has changed the way we understand and protect our natural world. For instance, drones are now being used to monitor wildlife populations, track poaching activities, and survey hard-to-reach environments, allowing researchers to gather data from remote areas without disturbing the habitats. These flying devices can capture high-resolution images and even thermal footage, giving scientists valuable insights into animal behavior and ecosystem health, while also enabling them to act quickly against illegal activities which threaten many species. Moreover, the use of camera traps has revolutionized wildlife research, providing a non-intrusive way to study animals in their natural habitats. These motion-activated cameras allow researchers to document animal movements, breeding patterns, and population sizes, all while minimizing human interference. This method not only enhances our understanding of various species, but it also allows for the collection of important data that can inform conservation strategies, ensuring that efforts are based on accurate information. In addition to these technological advancements, the role of citizen science has expanded significantly. People from all walks of life can now contribute to scientific research by observing local wildlife, reporting sightings, and participating in data collection through various mobile applications. This democratization of science not only fosters a deeper appreciation for nature, but it also fills critical gaps in data that professional scientists might miss, especially in remote or underserved areas. Looking to the future, the integration of artificial intelligence into conservation efforts promises to enhance our understanding of complex ecosystems even further. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye. For example, machine learning algorithms can predict animal behavior based on environmental changes, or assess the health of ecosystems by analyzing satellite images over time. This predictive capability could revolutionize how we approach conservation, allowing for proactive measures rather than reactive responses. Furthermore, advancements in biotechnology are also paving the way for innovative conservation strategies. Techniques such as genetic engineering and cloning hold the potential to revive endangered species or enhance the resilience of certain populations against diseases. While these methods raise ethical questions and require careful consideration, they also present exciting possibilities for preserving biodiversity in an increasingly changing world. As we move forward, the collaboration between governments, non-profits, and local communities will be crucial. Conservation efforts that engage local populations, respect indigenous knowledge, and provide economic benefits are often the most successful. Empowering communities to take an active role in preserving their natural resources builds stewardship and fosters a resilience. In recent years, technology has revolutionized the way researchers study and monitor the hunting behaviors of lions in the wild, allowing scientists to gain deeper insights into their natural instincts and social dynamics. One of the most significant advancements is the use of GPS collars, which are fitted onto lions to track their movements in real time. These collars provide invaluable data on the lions' locations, enabling researchers to observe their hunting patterns, the distances they travel while hunting, and the times of day they are most active. This information can reveal not only the lions' preferred hunting grounds, but also how their behaviors change with the seasons as prey availability fluctuates. In addition to GPS collars, camera traps are being employed extensively in lion research. These motion-activated cameras are strategically placed in areas where lions are known to hunt, capturing high-resolution images and videos of their hunting strategies, group dynamics, and interactions with prey. By analyzing this footage, scientists can observe how lions coordinate their efforts when hunting in groups, which is crucial for understanding their social structure and communication method. The footage can also help researchers identify which individuals are more successful hunters, providing insights into the different hunting techniques employed by various lions. Furthermore, acoustic monitoring is another innovative technology that is being used to study lion hunting behaviors. Researchers deploy sound recording devices in the field to capture the vocalizations of lions during hunts. These sounds can include roars, growls, and other vocal cues that may indicate excitement or communication among pride members. By analyzing these recordings, scientists can gain insights into the vocal interactions that occur during hunting, which can shed light on how lions coordinate their actions and signal to each other. Drones are also becoming a game-changer in wildlife research. Including the study of lions. Equipped with cameras, drones can survey vast areas of land, providing researchers with aerial views of lion prides and their hunting territories. This bird's-eye perspective not only helps in tracking the lions, but also in observing their interactions with other wildlife, including potential prey. Drones enable researchers to gather data without disturbing the lions, allowing for more accurate observations of their natural behaviors. Lastly, data analytics and machine learning are being harnessed to process the vast amounts of data collected through these technologies. Researchers are using algorithms to analyze movement patterns, predict hunting success rates, and even simulate various scenarios that could affect lion populations. This integration of technology and data science allows for more robust conclusions about lion hunting behaviors and how they might adapt to changing environments, such as habitat loss or climate. Recent research has uncovered fascinating insights into the cooperative hunting strategies of lions, showcasing their remarkable social dynamics and teamwork. Traditionally, it was believed that lions, being social animals, relied on their pride structure to enhance hunting success, but new studies have delved deeper into the specifics of how these cooperative strategies work, revealing a sophisticated level of communication and planning among these big cats. For instance, scientists have observed that lions will often use specific vocalizations, body language, and even eye contact to coordinate their movements during a hunt, allowing them to effectively chase down prey that would otherwise be too swift or agile for a solitary hunter. This research, conducted in various regions of Africa, highlights how lions adapt their hunting strategies based on the type of prey they are targeting, varying from larger ungulates like wildebeests and zebras to smaller animals. One striking finding is that lions exhibit a remarkable ability to switch roles during a hunt, with some individuals taking on the role of the chaser, while others position themselves to ambush the prey, creating a more effective hunting formation. This flexibility not only increases their chances of a successful kill, but also demonstrates their intelligence and understanding of group dynamics. Moreover, the studies have shown that the success of these cooperative hunts is heavily influenced by the composition of the pride, with larger groups often being more successful, but only if the members are well coordinated. Interestingly, researchers have also found that lions display a form of social learning where younger members observe and learn from the experienced hunters in their pride, gradually improving their own hunting skills through practice and observation. This aspect of learning further emphasizes the importance of social structures within lion prides, as it ensures the transfer of knowledge across generations. Additionally, researchers have noted that environmental factors play a crucial role in shaping these cooperative strategies. For example, during times of drought or when prey becomes scarce, lions may adapt their hunting methods, becoming more stealthy and strategic rather than relying solely on brute strength. This adaptability is a testament to their intelligence and resilience, allowing them to thrive even in challenging conditions. In summary, the recent research into the cooperative hunting strategies of lions reveals a complex interplay of communication, social learning, and adaptability, highlighting the intricate behaviors that contribute to their success as apex predators in the wild. As climate change continues to reshape ecosystems across the globe, the future hunting patterns of lions could be dramatically affected, creating a ripple effect through their habitats and prey populations. Lions, being apex predators, depend on a delicate balance of environmental factors, including the availability of prey, water sources, and suitable habitats. With rising temperatures, altered rainfall patterns, and shifting vegetation zones, the regions where lions traditionally hunt may experience significant changes. For instance, as grasslands and savannas become drier, the types and abundance of prey species, such as wildebeests and zebras, could diminish, forcing lions to adapt their hunting strategies or migrate to new areas in search of food. Additionally, if climate change leads to the expansion of human activities, such as agriculture or urban development, lions might find their hunting grounds encroached upon, leading to increased conflicts with humans and potential loss of access to vital resources. Moreover, the changing climate might impact the distribution of prey animals, as they too respond to shifts in their environment. If certain species move to cooler areas or adapt their migrations due to altered seasonal patterns, lions may have to travel longer distances to find food, which could affect their energy levels, reproductive success, and overall population dynamics. As prey becomes scarcer, lions may also experience increased competition with other predators, such as hyenas or leopards, which could further complicate their hunting success. In some regions, changes in vegetation might encourage the growth of denser bush areas, which could provide cover for both lions and their prey, altering traditional hunting techniques, such as the ambush and chase strategies they have relied on for millennia. Another aspect to consider is the potential impact of climate change on water availability. Lions, like all wildlife, require water to survive, and as droughts become more frequent, they may congregate around the remaining water sources, leading to higher competition and possibly aggressive encounters with other predators or even with their own pride members. This situation could force lions to change their hunting schedules, adapting to hunt during cooler parts of the day or night, when prey are more likely to be active and seeking water as well. In addition, the overall health of ecosystems plays a crucial role in the future of lion hunting patterns. If climate change leads to habitat degradation or loss of biodiversity, the intricate web of relationships between predators, prey, and the environment could be disrupted. The decline of certain plant species, for instance, might affect herbivore populations. Innovations in conservation aimed at supporting lion prides and their hunting needs are becoming increasingly important, as the survival of these majestic creatures often hinges on effective management of their habitats and prey. One notable advancement involves the use of technology, such as GPS collars, which provide researchers with real-time data about lion movements and behaviors, allowing for a better understanding of their hunting patterns and territorial ranges. As conveying context that lions are most active, which can then be prioritized for protection and management. So why? Because humans are most active, which can then be prioritized for protection. In addition to tracking technologies, innovative community-based conservation programs are gaining traction. These programs involve local communities in the conservation process, offering them incentives to protect lion habitats and reduce human-wildlife conflict. For instance, in some regions, local people are trained to monitor lion populations and are compensated for their efforts to prevent poaching and habitat destruction. This approach not only fosters a sense of ownership among communities, but also helps to create a more sustainable coexistence between humans and lions, ensuring that these big cats have sufficient territory to roam and hunt. Another fascinating development is the use of drones and remote sensing technology, which are being employed to survey lion habitats and assess the availability of prey species. Drones can cover large areas quickly, providing valuable data on land use changes, poaching activities, and even the health of ecosystems. This aerial perspective helps conservationists make informed decisions about where to focus their efforts, whether it's restoring habitats, establishing wildlife corridors, or implementing anti-poaching measures, all of which are essential for supporting lion prides and their hunting needs. Moreover, genetic research is being utilized to understand the genetic diversity within lion populations, which is vital for their long-term survival. By studying genetic markers, scientists can identify inbreeding issues, which can lead to health problems and reduced fertility. This information facilitates strategic planning for breeding programs and can help ensure that lion prides maintain a healthy genetic pool, which is crucial for their adaptability to changing environments and threats. Finally, innovative fencing solutions such as wildlife-friendly barriers are being designed to help protect lion habitats while allowing for the safe movement of other wildlife. These fences are constructed to minimize human-wildlife conflict, providing both lions and local farmers with a sense of security. By enabling lions to hunt freely without encroaching on agricultural lands, these solutions support the natural behaviors of lion prides, ensuring they can thrive in their ecosystems. Through these various innovations, the future of lion conservation looks promising, offering hope for the wildlife corridors are vital for the survival of many species, especially for large predators like lions, which require expansive territories for hunting, breeding, and maintaining social structures within their prides. To design effective wildlife corridors that facilitate both hunting and movement for lion prides, several factors are taken into consideration, starting with understanding the natural behaviors and social dynamics of lions. These corridors are often created in areas where human activities, such as agriculture or urban development, fragment habitats, isolating lion populations and limiting their access to prey and mates. By analyzing the landscape, wildlife biologists look for existing pathways that lions already use, which often include riverbeds, ridgelines, and open grasslands, making it easier to encourage their movement between different habitats. In designing these corridors, it is crucial to ensure that they are wide enough to accommodate the lion's movement, yet also provide cover from potential threats, such as poachers or competing predators. Vegetation plays a significant role here, as planting native trees and shrubs can create a more secure and appealing environment for lions to traverse. Additionally, it's important to maintain connectivity with other wildlife areas, ensuring that these corridors link to larger protected regions, which allows for greater genetic diversity and healthier populations. The use of technology, such as GPS collars, helps researchers track lion movements and understand their hunting patterns, which informs the design of these corridors, ensuring they lead to areas rich in prey. Community involvement is also a key aspect of designing these corridors, as local people can provide valuable insights into lion behavior and movement in their areas. Educating communities about the importance of wildlife corridors can foster a sense of stewardship among residents, encouraging them to protect these areas from encroachment and development. Furthermore, implementing measures to reduce human-wildlife conflict, such as compensation programs for livestock losses due to lion predation, can help communities feel more positive about their presence and support the establishment of corridors. Moreover, establishing wildlife corridors is not just about lions. It benefits entire ecosystems. By facilitating the movement of lions, these corridors also allow other species to thrive, creating a healthier and more balanced environment. The corridors can lead to increased biodiversity, as various animals can migrate, breed, and hunt without the barriers that previously existed. The success of these corridors is often monitored through camera traps and ongoing research, allowing conservationists to adapt and modify the designs based on the movements and behaviors observed. Ultimately, the design of wildlife corridors for lion prides is a complex interplay of understanding animal behavior, landscape ecology. Observing lion hunting offers fascinating insights that can be applied to understanding the hunting behaviors of various other species. And one key aspect is the social dynamics involved in their hunting strategies. Lions, being social animals, often work together in groups, known as prides, to increase their chances of successfully capturing prey. This cooperation highlights the importance of teamwork in the animal kingdom, as many species, such as wolves and dolphins, also employ similar group strategies when hunting. By studying how lions coordinate their efforts, researchers can better understand the social structures and collaborative behaviors that enhance hunting success in other animals, revealing that social bonds can play a crucial role in survival. Another insight gained from observing lions is the significance of territorial behavior and knowledge of the environment. Lions are known to maintain and defend their territories vigorously, and they often hunt within familiar areas where they understand the landscape and the habits of their prey. This knowledge allows them to plan their hunts more effectively, utilizing cover and ambush techniques. Similarly, other predators, like leopards and tigers, rely heavily on their understanding of their surroundings to stalk and capture prey. This aspect of lion behavior illustrates the broader principle that familiarity with the environment can give predators a distinct advantage, influencing their hunting strategies. Additionally, the timing of hunts is crucial, and lions often hunt during specific times of the day, typically at dawn or dusk, when their prey is most vulnerable. This behavior reflects a broader trend seen in many predatory species, where hunting is optimized according to the daily rhythms of both predator and prey. For example, many birds of prey, such as hawks and eagles, also take advantage of low light conditions to hunt more effectively. Observing lions can provide insights into the circadian rhythms that influence hunting behaviors across different species, emphasizing the importance of timing in the success of predation. Lions also exhibit different hunting techniques depending on the type of prey they are targeting, which can inform our understanding of dietary specialization in other animals. For instance, when hunting smaller, faster prey, lions may use short bursts of speed and agility, whereas with larger or more formidable prey, they often rely on strength and group tactics. This adaptability in hunting strategies is seen in various other predators such as cheetahs, which specialize in speed for smaller animals, and crocodiles, which employ ambush tactics for larger prey. By examining the diverse methods lions use, we can better appreciate the evolutionary adaptations that different species have developed to thrive in their respective niches. Conservationists are increasingly recognizing the power of community involvement in tackling the complex challenges associated with lion hunting, as they understand that local people often have the most to gain or lose from the presence of these magnificent animals. By engaging communities, conservationists are fostering a sense of stewardship, encouraging residents to take an active role in protecting lions and their habitats. This approach not only enhances conservation efforts, but also addresses some of the underlying issues that lead to hunting. One way conservationists are doing this is by promoting ecotourism, which provides communities with an alternative source of income, reducing their reliance on hunting lions for financial gain. When local people see economic benefits from visitors coming to see lions in the wild, they are more likely to support conservation efforts and protect these animals. Additionally, education plays a vital role. Conservationists are working to raise awareness about the ecological importance of lions, helping communities understand that a healthy lion population contributes to a balanced ecosystem, which ultimately benefits all living things in the area. Moreover, conservationists are collaborating with local leaders and organizations to develop community-based conservation programs. These programs often involve training local people in wildlife monitoring and protection tactics, which empowers them to take charge of their natural resources. By involving community members in decision-making processes, conservationists are ensuring that the needs and concerns of those living near lion habitats are addressed, leading to more effective and sustainable conservation strategies. This collaborative approach also helps to mitigate human-wildlife conflict, as communities are more likely to adopt non-lethal methods of deterring lions from livestock, such as using predator-proof enclosures or employing livestock guarding dogs. In some regions, conservationists have established incentive programs where communities receive compensation for livestock lost to lions, thus reducing the financial burden and discouraging retaliatory killings. These initiatives not only protect lions, but also foster a sense of shared responsibility for wildlife conservation. Furthermore, storytelling and cultural exchanges are being utilized to highlight the traditional significance of lions in local cultures, reinforcing the idea that these animals are more than just resources to be exploited. This cultural appreciation can lead to stronger community ties and a collective commitment to protecting the wildlife that shares their home. In summary, by leveraging community involvement, conservationists are creating a more holistic approach to lion conservation that benefits both people and wildlife, recognizing that sustainable solutions come from collaboration, education, and a deep respect for the natural world. The future outlook for lion populations in the wild is a complex and urgent issue, primarily influenced by their hunting habits, current threats, and conservation efforts. Lions, known as apex predators, play a crucial role in their ecosystems, helping to maintain the balance by controlling herbivore populations. However, their survival is increasingly challenged by human activities, habitat loss, and poaching. As human populations grow and expand into lion habitats, the conflict between lions and humans often escalates, leading to retaliatory killings, as livestock predation by lions can result in significant economic losses for local communities. Moreover, illegal poaching, driven by the demand for lion bones and other body parts in traditional medicine, poses a significant threat to their numbers. Current estimates suggest that lion populations have declined dramatically, with some studies indicating that they have lost over 90% of their historical range and now exist mainly in fragmented areas across Africa. Conservationists are working on various strategies to mitigate these threats, such as establishing protected areas, promoting community-based conservation initiatives, and enhancing awareness about the ecological importance of lions. The future of lions in the wild may depend significantly on the success of these conservation programs, alongside efforts to reduce human-wildlife conflict and foster coexistence. Additionally, the hunting habits of lions themselves are becoming more scrutinized, as their territorial nature and social structure mean that changes in prey availability, often due to human encroachment and habitat degradation, can severely affect their hunting success. Research indicates that lions are also adapting to some extent, with changes in their hunting behavior and prey selection potentially allowing them to survive in modified environments. However, these adaptations are not without limits, and the overall pressure from habitat loss and human activities can ultimately lead to further declines in their populations. The outlook is grim unless there is a concerted effort to address these multifaceted challenges, involving not only wildlife protection but also engaging local communities in sustainable practices, reducing poaching and promoting ecotourism as a means to provide economic benefits while ensuring the preservation. The presence of lions in the wild is not just about their survival, but it is also about maintaining the health of the entire ecosystem, which relies on the intricate balance that apex